What's good, YouTube? Today's day 4 of risking 900 bucks on Tesla call credit spreads. So I think on Monday or Tuesday I sold 2 call credit spreads at the strike price of 375. And so as long as Tesla doesn't go above 375, I should make my $100. And I low key be wishing sometimes that I should have risked a little more to try to make like 300 bucks, because this play looks great, you feel me? But I don't want to risk more than 1,000, so I'm only risking when I'm comfortable in losing. So if you guys are trading, make sure you guys don't risk something that you guys are not comfortable losing, cause trading, man, it's a big risk, you feel me? So right now, the play is actually up like 60 bucks. Today Tesla sold off. We're gonna look at the charts and see what happened. And so yeah, man, and I'm also trying to focus on long-term investing. So I'll be buying shares of Tesla if it hits 300 bucks. I had bought like 300. I had bought a couple shares of Tesla when it was like around 300, and I took some profits on that too, and also took some profits on the call credit spreads. If you guys see my recent videos, so right now things are going decent for me. So if I win this play, for 100 bucks, that'd be a total of 300 bucks in 3 weeks of selling call credit spreads. And that's not a lot of money, but man, I'm not doing nothing and I'm making money. So I'm making money without working, without, you know what I'm saying, without a lot of work. So I'm not complaining, you feel me? So let's look at the charts and predict what's going to happen next. All right, guys, so looking at the 4-hour chart, man, we had a reversal at this double bottom right here, and this is actually the price that I was like making videos on, saying that I was gonna buy. And I had some shares down here, and I took profit around this area. And once I seen Tesla go up here, that's when I sell my 2 call credit spreads. And so it was very bullish in the 4-hour chart, coming from these levels, and then finally slowed down. We're consolidating in the 4-hour chart. And so as you guys can see, man, we had just a tiny breakout, but Tesla right now is actually like bullish, but it's also bearish. Like, so there's some buying pressure and there's some selling pressure. And let's go into the 1-hour chart and see what's going on exactly. All right, so in the 1-hour chart, you guys see, man, we had a clear uptrend. We're making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and then finally Tesla slowed down right here. And the crazy part is, man, I sold my call credit spreads literally when Tesla was about like at 340 and ran up a little bit and then literally sold off. And so once it sold off, came back to retest this breakout right here, and then went back up to here at resistance, and then actually sold off again. And I'm actually not trading right now. I'm actually just selling call credit spreads or puts. I haven't done puts yet. It's just I've been doing call credit spreads because the stock market been like very bullish. Everything done ran up, and it's just like, you know what I'm saying, it could still run up with the stock market. You never know where these stocks will go. That's why I make sure you guys don't risk more than you guys will could afford to lose, man. So I had to learn that the hard way, and trust me, man, you guys don't want to lose money you guys worked hard for. And so let's continue on with the chart. All right, so now we broke this support level here, but now it's touching the 50 EMA, so it can bounce off the 50 EMA and continue higher, or it can continue it can retest this area and sell off. We'll see what happens. And so let's dive into the 30-minute. All right, so 30-minute looks identical to the 1-hour, just a little bit more clear. And so yeah, look, we broke out and we reversed at like 3:30, and then the 30-minute look is at the 50 EMA, but it can reverse from here too. It's looking like, so really anything can happen. So, but I'm thinking that we'll probably go down. If you guys look at the Tesla news too, That's like a major thing with the news, man. Is literally what drives Tesla, most of it. You feel me? And so, in looking at the 15-minute chart, so we stopped here and then went back up a little bit, and so around this will be resistance right here, and if it breaks this level at like 335, it probably end up going higher. But I feel like Tesla probably just gonna consolidate a lot more in this area because there's buying pressure and there's selling pressure. So I think it will consolidate, but that's a win on my side because as long as Tesla doesn't go above 375, that's a win. And I want the stock to either consolidate or go down. So we should be good. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace.